Alright, here's the deal. I just found a way to use a paid AI video generator for free. No credit card, no shady hacks. Just free AI videos every single day. Sounds crazy, right? Well, stick around because I'll show you exactly how to do it. AI video generators are insane, but let's be real, most of them charge way too much. But what if I told you there's one that gives you 10 free videos a day? You don't need a trial, you don't need a subscription, and the best part, you can keep doing this forever. Let me walk you through it. First thing to know before you sign up, you'll need a temporary email to avoid spam. Go to Temp Mail and grab a free email. This lets you create an account without using your real one. Copy the email it gives you. Use it to sign up for DigenAI. Why? Because this keeps your real inbox clean, and if you ever run out of free credits, you can just make a new account. Here's where it gets good. DigenAI gives you 300 free credits every single day. Each video costs 30 credits. That means you can make 10 videos a day completely free. The credits reset every 24 hours, so tomorrow you get another 10 videos. No payment info needed, no tricks, just free videos. So, if you only need 10 videos a day, congratulations, you never have to pay for AI videos again. Now, let's talk about watermarks because nobody wants them. Here's a trick. Before the final rendering is done, right-click on the video. Click Save Video As and download it early. This works on some platforms where previews don't have watermarks. It won't always work, but hey, worth a shot, right? Important. If the platform doesn't allow this, the only official way to remove watermarks is by upgrading. DigenAI's cheapest plan starts at 49 cents a month, so if you're serious about it, that's an option too. Alright, let's say you need more than 10 videos a day. What can you do? Use a new temp mail email to create another account. Boom. 300 more credits. Wait for the next day's reset. Your free credits refresh every 24 hours. Upgrade if you really need it. The cheapest plan gives you 600 credits a month or 20 videos. So, if you're doing this for free, be patient and use multiple accounts wisely. Yup, 100% legal. DigenAI offers these free credits, we're just using them smartly. Temp mail is a public tool, nothing shady about that. Downloading previews, if available, is a built-in feature. No rules are being broken here. This is just a clever way to maximize free AI tools. And that's it. You now have a paid AI video generator without paying a dime. Let me know in the comments if this worked for you or if you've got any other free AI tools you want me to test. And hey, if this video helped, maybe hit that like button. Just saying.